Okay, guys, we finally got our food at Magnolia Table. Wasn't too bad along the way. Let me put it over here. I'm going to show you what everybody got. I'm going to show them. Bring it over here so they can see it a little closer. Momo got her a hot dog and french fries. Tell them what you think, Mo. Yeah. Sonny got her a side of breakfast potatoes. She got the chicken strips with mashed potatoes and gravy and green beans. Wild Man got him a whole breakfast with sausage and egg and pancakes. And I got the something hamburger. I cannot remember the name of it yet. Farm 44, something like that. Hamburger. This is jalapeno jam. That's bacon jam. You can get toothpick. And I got breakfast potatoes because they just look so good on everybody else's plate, guys. So, anyhow, it all looks delicious. Show you one more shot around because it looks so delicious. We're fixing to say our amen so we can eat. So, I'll talk to you guys later. We'll come on later and let you know what we think and if it's good and all the good things. All right, love you guys.